quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. Christmas, oh Christmas.
Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my annual festive speed clean, which I'm honestly so excited about. I hope you guys are lovely and cozy. Grab your favourite drinks. Honestly, today is so cold. I've whacked the heating up. It is freezing, but we haven't woken up to snow, which makes me really sad. I've seen on Instagram so many people like more up north have woken up to snow, and I'm like, great, we haven't got any snow yet. First world problems, but I'm manifesting that it will snow soon. Like, come on, let's manifest together. So I hope you guys are doing really well. I'm just so excited to film today's video and to get the house all sparkly and for it to smell of Christmas. I always like to do a pre-Christmas clean. I'll probably do this another time before. Me and Bradley always clean like fully once a week, but I do it every day little and often just because it helps. Today I want to do like a speed clean of the house and just make it smell really lovely and fresh and just feel really like squeaky clean. If you ever feel like unmotivated to clean your house, I always say this, but I really recommend buying cleaning products because you can get like limited edition cleaning products. And I don't know what it is, I feel like it just motivates me to clean. It makes me want to clean the house even more. And I love that. I always find watching YouTube videos as well, like dedicated YouTube clean with me's, that makes me want to clean as well. So I think doing little things like that really do help. So I put through a massive order with cherries. I would pick this box up here, but it is so heavy. So I'm going to show you guys the items in a minute. They are really kindly partly sponsored today's video. If you don't know who cherries are, they are an amazing web and app that sell incredible household brands, from cleaning products to food, beauty, to kids' toys, to limited edition things, like the list goes on. The app for me personally is my favourite thing to use. I honestly go on it all the time. I find it so simple and easy to use, yet it's really fun to actually shop. They sell amazing brands like Zaflora, Minky, they have all like Lenore and Thornton's. Honestly, I'll show you guys everything that I have in a second because it is insane. And I wanted to show you a sneak peek of some of the Christmas items that they have as well. I'm literally looking at it all now like, oh my god. So they have really kind of given me a discount code for you guys. So if you are a new customer, you can use the code AmyRose25 and you'll get 25% off your first order and then free shipping on your next 3. So when you put in the discount code the first time, it will automatically take it off the free shipping after, if that makes sense. And if you are an existing customer, you can use the code AmyRose3 and you'll get free shipping off your next order, which is so lovely of them. So that include everyone in it, you know? So I think I should show you guys all the items that I got and then we can get ready to clean. So you can see this is literally full to the brim. I've got some like stocking fillers here for Bradley. Like, how cool is this? Oh my god, he's gonna love that. So I think I'm gonna put it into order on the floor somehow, and then I can show you guys everything super quickly. There is a lot of things. Like, how did that all fit in here? That's crazy. So I've kind of put all of this into sections just so you get a rough idea of the items that they stock. So over here we've got more like cleaning stuff. So I've got elbow grease, I've got the Dr. Beckham Stain Devils. This looks really good. I'm really excited to try this. I think you just spray it on your clothes if there's any stains on them, which look really helpful. I've got brown paper, a drying mat. This, honestly, we've needed this so bad at the moment. Our dishwasher has broken, so I'm going to be using this a lot to help with like drying all of the pots and pans and things like that. We've got fairy non-bio pods. This should be over here with like the gift sets. I've got loads of cloths here. Sorry about the dog toy over there. I love how they stock, again, all of these amazing brands, which I use all the time when I clean. Minky cloths are my favourite. So I've got a general purpose and then a high-tech duster as well. These ones are really good to wash your grills and pans. Just 3 normal cleaning cloths. I feel like these are good for like bathrooms and stuff like that. A Minky, of course. Dishmatic. Now, honestly, you guys, I've got normal Dishmatic. I've got a scrubber Dishmatic. And I have a friggin' dog Dishmatic. How cool is that? And then I've got the refills here because we always need refills. I've got some Zafloras. So this is actually one of my favourites. I love how they stock the limited edition ones. We've got Winter Morning, Cranberry and Orange, Warm Cinnamon, and then Midnight Blooms. I'm so excited to use these sprays. How cool are they? So they're just bottles, and then you can fill them up with whatever you want, and then things like that are good just to take around the house when you're doing a little speed clean, so I can't wait to fill them up today. I've got Exotic Bloom In Wash Scent Boosters, 2 candles, a little jug because I smashed our one the other day. Lenore, I've got my favourite Lenore, so this is the Gold Orchid Chic one. I've got a Dove Caring Bath Sheer Butter with Warm Vanilla, and then a Lenore Exotic Bloom. These two are my absolute favourite Lenore like comforts ever. They're amazing. It is that time of year, so I picked up a hot chocolate. I've also got Thornton's Pearl Hazel Delight. Like, how nice do they look? Epsom salts. Bradley's been asking me to get him some at the moment, so I picked him up a packet. Some eyelashes. Look how nice these look. These are the W7 Aura lashes. How cute are they? And then over here I got Bradley some stocking fillers, which I know for a fact he's going to be so happy with. I feel like this is what every girlfriend or partner buys their boyfriend for Christmas, because it's just a cute gift set, you know. So I got him this little Nivea gift set. I got this fragrance here, Charlie Silver it's called. This as well, I think this is an aftershave. I think this is good for him for when he's like working out and stuff like that. I love how they stock really nice perfumes. I got this one by Sarah Jessica Parker. It's called Lovely. I got this for his stocking. Bradley's definitely more of a sweet kind of person than a chocolate, so I got him that. Egg poaching bags. I don't even remember picking these, but I feel like they're going to come in handy. This, how cool is this? He's going to love this. This is a football quiz and a movie quiz cards. So I feel like games are really fun to play around Christmas time, and I know he will love these, and he'll get annoyed if he doesn't get any of them right. And then a Vaseline tub, Smooth and Shine. And then this is what you get inside. He will love this. I mean, I'm not sure if he'll like the packaging, but he's been asking me to get him Vaselines for ages. So yeah, thumbs up. But this is just a small fraction of the items that you can get from Cherries. So yeah, you can already see how incredible the brands are, and I always use these myself anyway. Lovelies, to start off I'm going to clean the kitchen. I'm going to put away all the washing that was on the drying rack, and then just clean the sides and make it all tidy. I'm then going to grab my 2 new Dishmatics and fill them with washing liquid and then a little bit of water, just so they're all ready to use when I'm washing up in a second.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
And then going to grab my new bottles, which I absolutely love. I think they look so cute. I'm going to grab the spritz one and then fill it with a cap full of Lenore, and then fill the rest up with water. This is such an easy way just to freshen up your home really quickly and make it smell lovely. And then I'm going to grab the clean one, fill it up with some Zaflora and water, and then again you've got a disinfectant in a bottle. It is such a good idea, and I love how these bottles look as well. You can always leave them out on display near your sink, or just make it really organised under your sink as well. So I love these, and it's so much fun to use them, and I love how you can change the scents up with Zaflora as well. So I'm going to grab the clean one with Zaflora and just clean down all of the appliances, all of the cupboards, the handles and everything, just to shine and disinfect all of it. I was also getting really hot while I was cleaning because I felt bad to turn the heating off for the dogs, so I just put my hair in a bun, so that is why my hair looks very different. But I'm just going to pop a wash load on now. I use my favourite Lenore, and then I'm going to finish off wiping the sides and the appliances, and also use that same Zaflora in the sink as well, which makes the whole house smell amazing, and I can also disinfect all of the cloths as well.
To look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. what a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it.
After everything else is done in the kitchen, I'm then just going to hoover it with my shark hoover and then go in with my flash speed mop, which is amazing, and it just helps to get any dirt or things like that off the floor. Moving on to the hallway, I'm going to start off by hoovering it, then I'm going to put my rug back and then just start dusting everything as usual. As you can see, it wasn't like a big mess, it just needed a little clean and TLC.
Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you.
Moving on to the front room, this was definitely needed. I haven't taken the cushions off the sofa and hoovered in such a long time, but it was definitely needed, so I'm really happy that I done it today. Then I'm just going to refluff all the cushions and the throws and make it all lovely and cozy again. I find this such an easy thing to do, but it makes such a big difference to your front room. I'm then going to finish hoovering the front room. I'm going to spritz it with my new Lenore, which I just diluted in the bottle, and then also finish dusting as well.
Sing along to the song, make a wish, grab a kiss, put another record on, wake the neighbors, having fun down the street. Christmas trees, decorations, wanna greet old Santa Claus when he arrives. Let the reindeer see the lights, light a very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year.
Moving upstairs, I'm just going to put away the washing that was out from the night before. So this is actually the bedding, so I'm just going to fold this away and then put it in the airing cupboard, and then just fold away any other washing so it's all ready for when the towels are done in the washing machine. Then I'm going to move on to my beauty room. To be honest with you, I didn't do loads in here. I just cleaned everything and then hoovered and dusted.
Is a happy holiday, a very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas. I keep showing every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very
I'm then just going to hoover the hallway upstairs. Bradley actually hoovered the stairs and he cleaned all the bathrooms yesterday, so that's why I didn't film it within this video, so I'm sorry about that. If you want me to do the bathrooms, I can, but because he done them, I thought there's no need to do them again. So I'm just going to make my bed. Usually I make it every single morning, but I figured, seeing as I'm filming a speaking, I'll show you guys how I do it. So I'm just going to make my bed, put 1,000 cushions on it as always, and make it look really luxury and homey.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do.
So to finish everything off, I always end by putting my favourite wax melts on and my candles on, just so the house smells really lovely, and I feel like it's such a lovely way just to finish everything off after you've cleaned. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, lovelies. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. This is my very extreme festive speed clean before Christmas. If you want more of an in-depth one, then please let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching. I'll pop all the links to cherries in the description box down below, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is cabbage.